Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to remove the background of something in Gimp. So what you're going to have to do is to simply open Gimp on your computer and then simply click on File and then simply open the file that you want to remove the background from. And then what you're going to have to do is to simply right click on the image icon on the lower right side of the editor and select Add Alpha Channel like this. And then simply click the fuzzy select tool and enable anti-aliasing, feather, edges, and zero mask options. So you're gonna have to enable all these options here. And after that, what you're gonna have to do is to simply select and click the background and drag to increase or decrease the threshold. Now after that, you're gonna have to let go of the selection and press delete to remove the background and repeat the process a few times until the entire background is deleted. And basically that's all. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.